What is up, everybody? Michael Gardiner back again with the daily uploads, and in today's video I'm going to show you how I save up to 50% or more on Airbnbs. Now before we get into this video, go ahead and smash the thumbs up button. It helps the channel a ton and gives me a huge boost of motivation. Alright, let's get into it. So I am somebody who spends almost the entire year living in Airbnbs. I travel nomadically and I'm in Airbnbs I would say probably 300 days or more during the year. So obviously I'm looking to save some money. Now I'm going to share with you with 2 tips I use to save so much money on Airbnbs. And if you're someone who uses Airbnbs regularly, this is going to be huge for you. So now let's go ahead and hop into my computer and I can show you exactly how I do this. Alright, so here we are on Airbnb. For this example, I'm going to go ahead and put in Guatemala City, Guatemala, a place I am hopefully going to go pretty soon, and I'm actually going to go ahead and plug in dates like I was going. My next Airbnb ends May 19th, so I'll plug in May 19th until June 18th, which is a 30-day month. Now, one thing you can do to find really good deals is put in this 1 day off filter, and sometimes that can snag you a deal you won't otherwise see, and worst comes to worst, you can get a hotel for one night. So I'm plugging in 2 guests, and now I'm going to go ahead and do my Airbnb search. Now, since I'm searching for an Airbnb that is over 28 nights of booking, I'm going to get a monthly price. So you can see this one is already half off, $600 to $300, $900 to $315. Some insane discounts right here. A lot of these are because of COVID, but you can see this monthly discount rate is going to save you a ton of money if you can book a place for a month. And sometimes it's actually cheaper to book for a month than it is for 3 weeks because that discount is so steep. So these monthly discounts will help you a ton. Let's go ahead and find a place for an example. This one right here, we can see it's $14.63 a month as opposed to $19.50. Now, another reason this makes it a lot cheaper is you always have to pay the cleaning fee and the service fee. Now, the cleaning fee is typically the same if you book one night or 1 month. And sometimes that cleaning fee can be $50, $60. So if you're staying for one night, it can almost double the price of a place sometimes, where over a period of a month, it dilutes that, and you're also getting the monthly discount. Now for this place, let's say I just want to stay one night, a 2-night minimum, let's say 2 nights. You can see it would be $65 a night, $169. So you really are saving a lot by booking this place for a month. And I like to go through the results and see who's offering a really large discount for a month. For example, right here, we can see they are going from $2,700 all the way down to $720, after fees $796. So that is the first trip to save money on Airbnb. Now you might be saying, well, Michael, I don't want to go for a month, I just want to go for 2 days. No worries, I have something for you as well. So the second form of saving money on Airbnb is asking for discounts. Now, I know this sounds simple, but I don't see people do it. I never pay full price for an Airbnb, even if they are offering a monthly discount. I've actually saved up to 75% on my Airbnbs by doing this. So what I first do is I put in all the filters I want. Let's just do an example, do entire place. Let's say the most I want to spend in a month is $1,200. And then we can put some filters on here, like let's go ahead and throw on air conditioning. Actually, no air conditioning because they don't have it in Guatemala. We'll put on a washer and a Wi-Fi. So I put in all of my requirements, and then what I'm going to go ahead and do is message around 10 to 15 hosts. So what I want to do is message these hosts with a legitimate question. So the first thing I like to ask all of these hosts is, hi, I'm interested in booking your place for set time period. If you're doing a month, you have even more leverage. I wanted to ask X, Y, and Z. Normally for me, it's I wanted to ask what your Wi-Fi speed is, upload and download. That's my number one question. And I also like to ask if they have a desk available if it doesn't list a desk, which by the way, you can get your Airbnb host to add a desk pretty easily. So let's say I message 15 people. Probably 6 or 7 of those would actually have Wi-Fi speed I'm interested whatsoever. I then like to message them and say, hey, I'm really interested in booking your place. It's just a little bit over my budget and what I'm looking to spend. I was wondering if you could offer any type of discount. Now, even if they already have a monthly discount, most hosts will offer you an additional 5 to 20% off, and sometimes even more. And when they do respond to that, you're welcome to accept their offer or ask for an additional $50 to $100 off. Now, doing this, some people will say no, but most will offer you some discount and some more discount than others. So the fact that you're reaching out to so many people means that you are almost guaranteed to save money. So if you go ahead and do this when booking your Airbnbs, you are going to save a ton of money in the long run, and there is no reason not to do it. So go ahead, next time you book an Airbnb, message some people, ask for a discount. If you can do a monthly stay, do it, and you'll be saving so much money, which you can do whatever you want with. I don't know, go to the bar, put it in cryptocurrency, have some fun. I hope you guys loved this video and found it really valuable. If you did, smash that like button, leave a subscription because I am uploading every single day in April. That is it. Have a great one. Out.